everyone, welcome back. It's Jojo with
And Shruti, what's up, Joe?
What's up, what's up? Do you like disco?
Yeah. Yes.
Is it disco?
Disco. Oh, that's 90s disco.
I know.
Excuse me. I was like, ye kya hoga?
So anyway, this entire EP
Yeah. What about
by
it?
Yash Raj is about the disco era of Bombay. There was a disco era. Did you know this? I didn't know.
Of course I knew this.
Okay. So there was.
I mean, come on. Yeah. Listen,
his dad told him about it.
The front side of disco era ka jo Bollywood segment tha, that was all
that's
that, the lights on the bodysuits and them doing like full and like all Parveen Babi, Zeenat Aman, they were like, and even Hare Krishna, Hare Ram, that movie, usme the whole setup which was there of them showing. So there was all that was the, that was like the थोड़ा थोड़ा जैसे आपने स्प्रिंकल करके थोड़ा सा दिखा दिया कि क्या चल रहा है, but the real good stuff is underground. So the whole underground thing of disco is happening on the side, which is so cool.
Yeah, right? And apparently his dad used to be a part of that scene. They used to go and they used to have these, fun like pub nights or whatever, disco nights and all in Bombay. And there were all these different locations that were very actively disco. So he see the stories we can get from our parents also.
Yeah.
And then build on them.
वो मिथुन दा की कौन सी फिल्म थी वो वाली, which was about a disco dancer. Correct.
That was a movie.
Correct.
I grew up on that movie. So without playing the disco dancer songs, I would not eat my food.
I can see little Jojo.
My sister and I both, we would not eat our food. My parents had to play the song to give us.
What is the song? Which song is this?
That I am a disco dancer.
I can imagine Jojo going and then eating like one bite.
It's hilarious. Hilarious.
Very good. Nice.
Mithun and Amitabh Bachchan were our favorites. My sister and I used to fight who's gonna marry whom. We were
very good.
Yeah. Anyway, Disco Dancer was our favorite movie. So coming back, this is called Meri Jaan Pehle Naach. I have covered Gabbar, which I will send you offline. Freaking blew my mind, dude. One of the best like music productions of the year. Lost Stories have done it. They are called Pune. And anyway, so Gabbar, and then I covered Dai Bai, and now I'm covering the theme music.
I'm loving the names. Dai Bai, what a lovely name.
You just wait. I will send to you.
Of course, left, right. It's reminding me of that apna Ali. This one's name.
Ali Sethi wala song.
Ali Sethi. Correct. So very nice. But okay, let's. So what is the write-up saying about this?
It's saying theme music, a conventional disco rap record, serves as an adrenaline boost, breaking the fourth wall by making the music you listen to feel like the soundtrack of your life.
Love it.
No
other way.
It encapsulates the spirit of starting the day with a powerful, positive mindset. The track is designed to immerse you in its grand and lush sonics the moment you plug in your headphones, giving you an exhilarating rush and making it your theme music for the day. Oh, that's why it's called theme music. It explores the mentality that many artists have at the start of their day, channeling positive energy and the fluctuating sense of a God complex. Love it. Featuring a grand hook with orchestral elements fused with electronic production. Theme music with an exclamation is a highly energetic record with intricate production.
Theme music? So it's got to be said like that. If it's with
theme music.
Exclamation. Theme music.
Theme music.
I'm ready for this.
How to introduce this song on radio? Guys, now it's time for theme music.
Now it's time for theme music. Listen to it now.
Music.
Come on. Okay. We're a little crazy. I think zyada ho gaya.
Okay. Performed by Yash Raj and Chimera, produced by Chimera. Very important. Composed by Yash Raj, written by Yash Raj. Composed by Yash Raj, Chimera, written by Yash Raj, mixed by Akash Raman. Okay, lovely. 1, 2, 3, play.
मेरी जान मेरी हाँ मैं तू हाँ मेरा नाच लगाने provocative बातें भी back it up move करे back it up do जैसे आंखों में धूप मैंने can't see through मेरी flow नहीं है phony and होनी को होनी मैं फटता plutonium कुछ तो podium finish I really wanna win it real name no give me shit कपड़े भी linen smooth as fuck वो सारी वाले कपड़े और सपने में बंगले चलूँ गले को ढक के खुद ही मैं सोचूं ठग लूँ इससे पग लूँ यहाँ से I'm just juggling my alter ego fashion ego Al Pacino got Fatima full casino all in जैसे डिस्को की छत पे ballin मेरा फोन तेरी क्रश से calling me जीने का फायदा है क्या और मरने का डर भी नहीं बीच में हंस ले जरा सा लगती है मर्जी नहीं कैसा था मैं भूल गया मैं कैसा था मैं भूल गया मैं कैसा था मैं भूल गया मैं चलूं मेरे गॉड कॉम्प्लेक्स में है बहुत कॉन्टेक्स्ट पर I'm on God text me जब पूछेंगे वो कौन बेस्ट चल along come check stone song brother that's me सच्ची बोलूं तो ये राजी नहीं है तेरी रैप करने की आवाज ही नहीं है जाके ढूंढ ले तू नौकरी या रोले ना तो छोकरी पे फ्लेक्स को गली है तुम्हें जासी नहीं है
Why did you end it?
ये
मेरा theme music.
And beach mein how Bapida style they totally went no like singing also a little bit like that. Oh, very nice. यार मैं ऐसे ये वाला अगर थीम म्यूजिक लगा के मैं ऐसे सड़कों पे घूमूंगी तो मैं तो ऐसे थोड़ा ऐसे नाचती वाचती रहूंगी. I do it also. I see people staring at me then I'm like अच्छा थोड़ा behave करना है. You know like ये
Don't behave, just do it.
I will do this. I will like wow, I love it.
I am beyond like shocked at the innovation that's happening here. I just cannot.
And there were so many layers, no, they had mixed. बीच में कुछ हंसने की आवाज भी आ रही है, बीच में वो सारा जो उनके effects होते हैं, transitory effects, जिसमें all that is also going on. All those, everything.
Chimera has killed it. I'm just gonna say
what
it.
is that called? Wawa drum.
बहुत-
What is that called? It's got that whole thing.
Listen, I feel like it needs subtitles also because I mean, first of all, I will come to Yashraj later.
Yeah.
This thing that he has created, this disco rap, synth, jazz, hop phenomena in this album, and I said it when I posted my Daibai reaction. I am here for this. It is not classifiable. And that is the beauty.
Classified it wonderfully.
No, I'm trying to using all these.
Love it. Yes.
So that is where you have an artist beyond excellence. He is when you can take from the past and create something brand new. I keep saying this.
But that's the thing. Pehle, a lot of these genres didn't exist. They were part of other genres. Like disco already had a lot of synth in it.
Yeah.
Disco already had, bit of elements. And then those elements were picked and said, what if we create a song that is just this? And then a genre paida hua, So now it's very interesting that when we go back to that, we can literally identify all the different zones put into it, all the different genres.
Yeah.
But back then, these genres didn't exist.
Yeah.
Some existed. A lot of them paida baad mein hue, So which is so interesting that it actually teaches you so much. So today when he's defining each one and putting it all together, it is sounding phenomenal. And you're absolutely right that all these different layers that are put into it, it kind of kuch aur hi iska.
So I'll tell you what this reminds me of. Rick Rubin and Pharrell. I watched their conversation and it's reminding me of one very cool thing because when Rick, and they're amazing producers, right? And the biggest producers in the world.
Yes.
So when Rick asked Pharrell, like, how does he work on a song? So Pharrell's thing was like, I know music that I grew up on, and I may not remember the exact song or lyric also, but I do remember how it made me feel. So the thing that I try to go back to is the feeling. I always try to reverse engineer the production in a way to reach that feeling again. So while I'm trying to create a new building, it's still going to be a place where I feel the same way, but I'm in a new building. That's the kind of architecture I'm trying to work on. And what he also said was very this thing, that the best music is rooted in something timeless, but that sounds like something completely new, And that's when you know you have a radical artist in front of you.
Phenomenal. Yes, fully
Bec-
agree.
You know, so the timeless element of
Yeah.
it immediately touches us.
Correct.
And then we are in
सुना
its
सुना लगता
grasp.
है लेकिन फ्रेश लगता है लेकिन like comfortable
फिर
enough
हमें
to
कहीं और ले
explore
जाता
it.
है. Yeah, लेकिन
हाँ.
feeling intact रहती
Yeah.
है.
Yeah.
Beautiful. So that is the kind of space I feel they are approaching this, you know, the way they are hacking this album.
हाँ.
He must have got that idea कि disco का कुछ करना है.
Yeah.
Now, how do we add layers to it and make it today also?
Correct.
Beautifully done.
Superb. I can't wait to listen to the rest of the songs.
Yeah.
You know how, like you said, you've already heard all of them and like
No, I've not. Gabbar and Dai Bai I've heard.
And now 3 ho gaye. So I'm assuming if is it an EP? So there must be 2-3 more songs.
I think there are 3 more. I think yeah, there are 3 more. There is FGHM featuring Lalu. There is
GHM?
I don't know what it means. What does it mean? You know the full form?
I thought it was like alphabet ka FGHM hoga. But nahi hai.
Then one is Qaeda Faida, Akash Ravan and Babe Bhumika are on it. And then one is Custom Fabric.
मैं ये आज ही पूरी एल्बम सुनूंगी क्या मतलब
oh there's one more
else, just the names have only taken the heart.
It's hilarious. Lil Help के साथ है Studio 29. That's probably I think that's the name of a club in Bombay.
It was
Disco
Studio
club.
29 was very famous.
Oh,
like how there's Studio 54 I think in America.
Yeah.
So this one was quite famous.
Must be. Yeah, so there are 4 tracks that have not been heard, but what you know, and I've been a Yash Raj fan. He knows it. I've said it enough number of times also. I just love it when the artists that I have admired so much.
I recognize that face of yours. You know, right now the face you have, it's a fully like मैंने कहा था. You know, it's a मैंने तो कहा था.
This guy has layers and layers that people don't know about, and he's just proving me right. I love it.
Very good. So looking forward to it, to his journey, and so there for this kind of stuff. You know, when people are trying different things and you're like, ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं, ये भी हो सकता है, तो हम क्यों वो same flex tracks में घुसे हुए हैं? Like, you know, it like really makes you think about it and appreciate it.
Yeah, he always brings that Jackie Chan wala face. Be like water, my friend. Be like water. This man is like water only, bas. So yeah. Okay. Chalo. Let us know which are your favorite tracks on this album and which one I should get to next. We should get to next. She's still going to listen to it offline. So I will try and get to the rest. Or I'll also listen offline. Chalo. Take care of yourselves. Live long and prosper.
Bye.